we have a write-up for your theory exams. So let's begin. The first is the definition of a DC motor. So DC motor helps in converting electrical power into mechanical power. So next is your working principle behind this entire thing. This is what is important. Everything else is, it's easy. You guys already know. So working principle is quite simple. You have a wire containing or current flowing in it. So what happens? When it exposed to a magnetic field, it will experience a force, right? And that is the working principle. As simple as that. Next is direction of rotation. Direction of rotation is given by your Fleming's left-hand rule. Okay. Now, next is your construction. Construction has to do with the construction of the motor. So we have the armature, the soft iron core on which the coil is wrapped. So see, in my setup, I have a wooden block. Reason being, it's not easy to drill a hole in metal because to be frank, I don't have the equipment. So I've made it out of a wooden block, right? So in place of this, you have to imagine a soft iron, and you guys know what role it plays, soft iron. So it adds on to the system, magnetic field strength and all of that. So it will obviously rotate a lot faster than what you guys saw. So you need to have a soft iron. I still can add a soft iron to the block. Simple thing. I just have to take a soft iron nail or something, drill it off. At least it will make some kind of difference for sure. Okay, I still can do that. I will do that. So it converts electrical power into mechanical power. Okay, so this entire system helps in converting energy. Strong magnet, you guys know what is the role of a strong magnet. Split ring commutator. So split ring is your ring 1 and ring 2. The commutator helps in reversing the direction of the current in the armature. You guys understand what role it plays. So when ABCD flips, the current has to be in the same direction. It can't change. Brush 1 and brush 2, it helps in connecting the rings with the battery, right? Next is your working. So initially when the current is switched on, R1 is in contact with B1, R2 is in contact with B2. As per Fleming's left-hand rule, CD will experience a actually this write-up was for another diagram. So that's why it's different. It experiences a downward force while AB will experience a upward force. As a result, the coil will rotate clockwise, right? That will continue to be the same. The coil is in vertical position, but the coil will continue to rotate because of inertia of rotation. If you guys don't remember the word inertia of rotation, just write inertia, at least. Inertia of motion, you guys have to write. This time the commutator R1 comes in contact with B2 and R2 with B1. The direction of the current in ABCD reverses. That is good. That's correct. Now, as per Fleming's left-hand rule, AB will experience a downward force and CD an upward force. Thus, coil of DC motor continues to rotate in the same direction. So this is your write-up. From here, you guys have to copy this. Though you guys have to copy, and this too. It's left to your judgment. Construction, you guys have to pretty much copy everything. And the working.